Factories needed something faster, smarter, and more durable.
We need a new barcode system.
Engineer Masahiro Hara is tasked with reinventing the code system from zero. A code that scans instantly, from any angle, and stores thousands of characters. Deso Wave makes the QR code free to use, accelerating global adoption. Japan embraces mobile scanning long before the rest of the world. QR codes went mainstream worldwide once scanning became built to smartphones.
From retail to AR, from payments to identity, QR codes continue to evolve.